morphology. We have done two models of urban morphology. One was concentric zonation given by Burgess and Parks. The pattern is a central CBD and there are circular rings. The low income class lives near the CBD. The high income class lives outside. And one reason why this pattern develops is the cost of the land plus the problems of congestion here because of the worker class moving in. Expensive क्यों है ये land? Because in this area, why expensive? Because in this area you have got all commercial functions. So the importance of the CBD is a center of employment, the center of commerce. Okay, and they are concentrating. The best shape for concentration is a circle. Any other shape is not efficient. And because same hai, har taraf aapka cost of living equal proportion mein change hoga, therefore the zones are concentric. The zones are nearly circular. Iske upar modification hua, where Hjort says, okay, the principle is fine, but because some areas might have roads, some areas might have connectivity, some areas might have transport systems. So when a city expands, the city will not expand symmetrically. Some areas, okay, with their functions will grow faster. Some areas with their land use will expand along that direction. Okay, and to support this, जो workers चाहिए इसके पास रहेंगे. To support this, the workers are around this. And as we move away, you'll have the middle class, and somewhere in between, like you also have this sector, which is the rich zone. So in principle, the sectoral model continues to be the concentric zonation model. In principle, idea क्या है? 4 ideas तो हैं. The center of a city is a CBD. Okay, that there are people of different class. The rich people will stay away. The poor guys will converge. Because the poor people, they can't afford to commute every day from a long distance. But ये CBD है, ये expensive है. They can't afford land to start living in shanty towns. They start living in unauthorized areas. Slums banenge, ghettos banenge. And because slums and ghettos come up here, the rich guy can't be here. He will move out. The principle is there will be an invasion of the worker class and the displacement of the rich class. And as the expansion happens, okay, the expansion will be outwards. In this case, the expansion is asymmetrical along a sector. So Hjort's model is actually not challenging the concentric zonation model. It's very much on the lines of the same model, but with some modifications. Urban morphology mein, the important one, the at least 15 of them. आपके syllabus में है नहीं और पूछेगा तो एक आध सवाल पूछेगा. So I will try covering 6-7 of them, and that's good enough for us. So don't try to expand and read everything. Areas in CBD is high. अब वो crime में आप मत घुसो ना शिखा. Okay, we will only say what the model says. आप assume कर रहे हो कि because it is shanty towns यहाँ crime होगा. I mean, if you ask me, थोड़ा racist हो गया ये. सारा crime यही लोग करते हैं. ये बंदा जो गोल्फ खेल रहा है ना, ये लंदन में खेल रहा होगा. ठीक है? So we will not go there right now. There are problems of quality of life. There are problems related to housing. There are problems related to basic amenities. उतना ही रखो. Don't go towards crime है, conflicts हैं, because you are talking about Burgess model. What did Burgess say? Aditi, the limitations you will know once I have done the other models.